What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Naughty Spider. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old here, welcome back, y'all. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today we are going to be crocheting a little bit of guys. So today, let's discuss the elephant in the room. Yeah, I'm in my room today. I'm not in my studio / garage. Why, you guys may wonder. Because I'm kicking it with my family, and I actually want to go to the park to record a little bit. Because it's film day today for me, so I'm gonna have to go. And that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna film today for you guys. I'm gonna work on some orders. Thank you to my people that ordered some things. I love you guys so much. You guys don't know how much I appreciate it, how much that brings so much joy to me, guys. Like, when you guys order from me, it just really brings me so much joy. I don't know how else to explain that. But I got a few orders, guys. One of them that I'm working on is one of these shrugs arm sleeves that I have. They do have some holes in it, so it's kind of like punk vibes. This one's mine, but the person that ordered it without the fluff. So shout out to you. Another person ordered the skull bra that I have too on sale. I can't show it to you guys right now because I need to look for it, the one that I own. But I will be working on that order. So that's what I'm working on right now, guys. I'm so happy and grateful. And it's been a few months that I haven't had any orders yet. So this just brings me a lot of joy. Muffin, be quiet. My dogs, guys. You guys miss them? This is why I'm usually in my studio, because it's so much more relaxing. Anyways, actually, guys, I also finished up this beautiful bug sleeve, guys. Look. Another great news, guys. I'm done. Well, actually, let me finish this one up. But I'm working on some book covers, guys. Book sleeves, is that what I called it? No, book covers, guys. I'm gonna be selling them. I'm so excited for that. You know, you could put your Bible in there if you need to. You could, what else, guys? Put your books, your favorite books in this book cover. It keeps them so pretty and so cute, guys. You guys will love them, trust. Muffin, midnight. Come here. Midnight. Muffin, go down. Oh my god, guys. So let me finish up here bringing these girls up. I'm gonna see you guys at the park, because that's where we're going in order to film today for content day. Okay, guys, so hair is all messy, okay? I didn't end up going to the park anymore today, guys, just because I don't want to be in a rush. I was supposed to film earlier today, but I decided to go hiking, and yeah, guys, so I'm gonna film tomorrow better. I'm gonna go work out, and right after I work out, I'm gonna go film. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Girl, still working on my order, guys. Working on my second cake of yarn. My second yarn that I caked. But yeah. So I haven't worked out in a while, guys, because I've been very busy. Or not busy, I've been low-key injured. So I kind of stopped working out for a bit. I need to charge my phone. But rest assured, tomorrow I will be working out for sure, girl, because I have to. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to continue to watch me finish this order, go ahead and continue to watch me crochet. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. I don't know, it's been a few days, guys. So I am finally done with my orders, guys. I have Miss Distressed Shrug without the fluffiness, guys. With the fluff, this is how it's looking like. Has some holes, you know, it's flared out. It's very stylish, very cute. I love it. But my customer, shout out to my customer, thank you so much for your order, girl. She didn't want it with fluff, so we're not gonna do it with the fluff. Now, we did get another order for a bra set with the fluff. This is what it's looking like, guys. I love it, guys. I'm so happy about it. And I'm just so grateful. It's been a few months that the shop has been slow, and I'm finally seeing some people buy again, which I'm so grateful for. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys liked this video as much as I did. I can't wait to bring you guys more content. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Look, I got a new one too. Straw stopper, whatever it's called, for it. I've been very, very busy, guys. I didn't even go on live. Oh my god, I always say that, but it's because sometimes I need time to really, really concentrate on these orders. That way I make sure that everything's perfect, because I don't like feeling unsure of things. But I'm so happy right now. This order is amazing, and I just can't wait to share more with you. That is about it for this episode. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you guys follow me on all my other platforms. Check out my TikTok shop, my Etsy shop. It's all there. Other than that, guys, let me know if you guys want to see something new in my channel. If you guys want to collaborate something, let me know, okay, guys? But other than that, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.